Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to, of course, acknowledge the chairman of Fiji Rice Limited, the Tui Madata, who is also a board member, and the other board members, the permanent secretary, and the Commission Northern, all of you who are here in particular. It gives me much pleasure to be here. We talk a lot about Fiji Rice Limited, but this is the first time I've actually visited this particular plant. As you know, that apart from the fact that as the chairman highlighted, that there's been a lot of capital input by government to be able to give to the farmers a particular level of confidence to be able to continue with rice farming. And as you know, that for most farmers, and in particular farmers not just for rice but also sugarcane and various other crops, it's the input cost that is really critical. It is also your ability to value add to your particular crop. So with the groundbreaking ceremony today, to find a storage area where you can actually keep the rice dry and keep it out of the wet or have it destroyed, means that we're actually adding to your income level. There's a potential for you to lose your crop when you keep it yourself, or the deterioration of the crop is far more heightened when you keep it yourself. But if you bought it here, obviously, you have a better opportunity of a better payout. And that's what we are constantly looking at. Of course, apart from the various other capital infrastructures, the Honourable Prime Minister was here, the Honourable Minister for Agriculture, and various other projects that have been undertaken. There's been also a psychological or a strategic change. Things like being called from name being changed from Rewa Rice to Fiji Rice Limited also means a lot. I mean, I always find it quite funny that you have Rewa Rice in Raketi, in Vanua Levu. Rewa is in Liti Levu actually. So the fact that you had it called Rewa Rice, and the shift from that to Fiji Rice also makes a lot of change too. So, I mean, I do not want to make a very long speech, but as you know, that we'll be talking about the budget a bit later on, and I'd like to highlight a few other issues there. But you can be rest assured that government is here to help you, to assist you in a strategic manner. There's no point just throwing away money, but we need to put money in different capacities in different areas to build the farmers' confidence in that particular industry. And of course, we need to modernize all facilities. I'd like to thank Raj Sharma also in particular. Raj is the chairman now also. We made him chairman of Food Processors Limited. He's chair of Fiji Rice, of course. And he's also chair of Copper Millers, where we were earlier this morning, I should say. And over there also, for example, we've given them, funded a particular truck for them, and various other amenities which we have funded to build the capacity within that particular mill itself. So there's also people like him who we are appointing to ensure that there's synergies, because now he's the chairperson of 3 different, what I would call, say, commodity companies: rice, copra, and of course food processing. So strategically it makes sense to have him in those 3 entities, as we've done with other people where we've appointed them to different, as chair of different boards. It's the strategic way that we deal with issues. And we've obviously doing quite a lot. There's a lot of announcements been made at the budget. The agriculture budget has increased by $10 million in this year's budget, and significantly also some key decisions have been made through the Ministry of Public Enterprise. But I'd like to reach out to the farmers and say to you that we are here, of course, to help you, because we want you to obviously make an income level that's sustainable. But at the same time, you play a very pivotal role because you're also feeding our people. People eat rice, and we need rice. And that's a staple diet. So as far as we are concerned, in the long term, it creates what we call food security. And so strategically, it's very important for us to do that. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for everybody's been part and parcel of this process. I'd like to thank, of course, and acknowledge the staff who've been with Fiji Rice Limited. As the chairman highlighted on the previous, a few years ago, many of them, in fact, weren't paid sometimes. And I'd like to thank those who have actually hung around and, now obviously are reaping the benefits of this new management direction that we've had, and of course with government's assistance. So thank you to everybody, and I wish you all a good afternoon. Vinaka, thank you.
then it will go to our stage. As there.
And after you wait and then?
Then it depends to our requirement, then we push it into our tank. Then upon production, then we